This is a Gittel's grow rack designed for growing small plants like microgreens, leafy greens, herbs, salads, or you can use it as a nursery. And the rack itself is made of aluminium profiles and insert connectors. As you can see, it's designed for to be used in combination with these ebb and flow trays, Danish trays. And we have 6 different sizes trays in our program, so also 6 different sizes racks. So you'll be growing your plants on these trays here. Well, you can do that. Well, you can use punnets for growing microgreens. You can use plugs for using for growing small plants from seeds. And these ebb and flow trays, they rest on these carriers. And the carriers, they also function as fixing points for the LED lights. So depending on your plant's needs, you can install as many lights as you need. So these racks, they can be used as a standalone system, like I do over here. So there's underneath there's a water tank with a pump inside, connected to a distribution pipe with a filter. And then underneath each tray I've installed a valve, so I can fine-tune the amount of water that's being pumped into every individual tray. But these racks, they can also be integrated into larger systems, and since they are modular, they can be extended in height with well, theoretically as many floors as your ceiling height allows. So this is the rack for the 2 by 80 centimeter ebb and flow trays, and it comes in a box like this. It's quite a tall box. So what's inside? Aluminium profiles. These are the carriers. And these are the beams. And the beams, they are strengthened by these angle profiles. So they, because they have quite a stretch of 2 meters, so they don't bend through. And everything is being put together with bolts and nuts and these insert connectors. And these insert connectors, they have a steel core to improve the carrier strength of the rack, which you can see here. You see the outside is plastic, and the inside is steel, welded steel. Okay, let's set it up. So this is the manual of the rack, and this is what it will look like once it's set up. And what we will do, what we'll start with is constructing these 4 horizontal sections. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then set up the rack with the stands here. The tools you need to do this is a rubber hammer, an accu drill, and I use some grease to grease the insert connectors before I smash them in with the hammer. Okay, I'm done with the vertical sections of the rack, and since I still have them on the table, this is a good moment to install the lighting. And I've chosen these sunlights. Flex 20, they're called. They're only 20 watts per piece. And I will need 6 of them per floor. And sunlight, flex lights, they come with these clamps. So there's 2 clamps for every light. So I have to install 12 of these clamps in the right position, of course.